Happy January, day 7. Today I'm making vegan spring rolls in honor of China, producing around 60% of the world's new solar power in 2025, making it the world's largest manufacturer and deployer of renewable energy. It is installing more solar and wind capacity than the rest of the world combined. Way to go, China. If the world stays on track, it may still be possible to limit global warming to 1.5 Celsius using Chinese technology alone, says a report from the Energy Research Institution of China's National Development and Reform Commission. Their oil use is no longer rising, and China is aiming for its CO2 emissions to peak before 2030. It kinda makes you wonder who all of these pipelines are being built for, and if the oil moving through them will have any customers at all. Huge solar and wind projects are being built in the Gobi Desert, and the projects are actually helping to green the desert. The panels keep water on the sand from evaporating so things can grow. The grass has grown so high in areas that they've had to introduce sheep to keep it in check, and the sheep who actually makes the plants grow more, so biodiversity is returning. That's so cool. A solar panel today costs between $50 and $60 in countries that do not impose high tariffs on Chinese imports like Canada. Experts believe the future of the green transition could now be won by the global south. Let's go! You can find my recipe for the spring rolls in the comments below. Let's try it. Thanks to Alexander for suggesting it. Together we can save the world. Bye.